Hello, brother.
Hi, man.
How are you?
I'm so fine. Yeah.
I'm also funny. What's your name?
My name is Rejan Hokmiad. You may address me Riyad.
Okay, that's a good name.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pabna.
Prabna, where?
I'm from Pabna, Chelapara, situated in Dilalpur.
Okay. What do you do?
I'm a student.
What's your hobby?
My hobbies, I'm very fond of playing cricket and gossiping with my friends. And uh, I can ride a bike. And because that bike is my emotion, why? It's
Yeah.
I saw better.
What's your future plan?
I will be a successful businessman, and I'm working for it.
Okay.
I believe in hard work.
Yes.
If I do hard work, one day, inshallah, I'll be success.
Yes, I believe in you. You can do anything. Who is your running person in your family?
My father is my is earning person, non-earning person of my family.
Okay. How many brothers and sisters you have?
I have one little sister. She is younger than me, and she is in class 5 right now.
Who is your favorite person in your family? And why?
My mother is my favorite person in my family because when I born, my father was in abroad, and my mother always keeps supporting me. And until this time, she support me and care of me. Care. So these things make me so much pleasure for her, and I love her too much. My mother
Okay.
is my only love.
Okay, that's why you love your mother.
Yeah, I love my mother so much.
Okay. Mm, why you come English fantasy?
I can English fantasy because I'm too much not frequent in English. This why I think that if I develop my skill like English, some very important skill for us, and we love to develop our skills. People who have ideas in their mind, they can try to develop their own skill, and it's a light sword. If you develop your skill, you will be able to do anything whatever you do want to do. Came English fantasy and just see our mentors, our founder, the Rajun sir. He is a best person I see.
He's a nice
ever.
person.
Yeah, so I want to tell you something that yesterday when we was in class, just we are practicing. Just he came and behind us, and he saw us and noticed everything whatever we do. I just after some times we look behind and then see Radhan sir is here.
Yeah.
So these things make me so much happy that that kind of person came to us and visit us to see what they yeah. And this why English fantasy, I love English fantasy. And our mentor Ratul sir is a good person, honest person. He is too kind for us.
Yeah.
And he is always supported for our any studies and lessons. This might good for me. And I saw some videos on RJ Kibia. That's a true, bro. That's a true.
Yeah, that's why
I feel that.
I also coming. That's why.
Yeah.
Okay, brother. No more today.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Take care of yourself.
Thank you. And you also take care of
Yeah.
yourself. And
Yeah.
please give my regards and salam to your parents.
Yeah. You also.
Okay, bye.
Okay.